it sounds to me like you might have been pushed in a different direction. So let's see what we can do to help you with that. Okay.
Okay, no problem. And I was able to go to the yard to get my books and everything. So I'm gonna probably get started. No, ain't no probably. I'm gonna get started on that this weekend. You
That's
know,
great.
as far as the reading and the homework and all that.
Now, my question for you though is that shirt just a shirt to you, or were you an old school Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle fan?
So okay,
I mean,
I'm
I
a
know.
big
I
old
mean, because if you're just faking it, you shouldn't wear it.
no, I'm a big old school cartoon head. I done went and bought some Golden Girl shirts. I got I
Okay, okay.
got
Then I'm going to test you here. Then, okay. All right. So I'll name two turtles. You name the other two. All right.
okay.
Donatello and Raphael.
Michelangelo and Leonardo.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. So here's another deep cut. All right. So does that mean that you've also watched the Thundercats?
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I watch all that. You know,
Okay.
and sometimes I still catch myself at work. You know, on my downtime, I cut on the old school Transformers, and yeah,
Yes. Yes. It's so funny. It did always amaze me that uh, shoot, now I got so Optimus Prime, and then you got the leader of the Decepticons. It always threw me off that he would transform into a gun.
it
Remember
always
that?
threw me off. Always threw me off, and I'm like, who's gonna shoot you? And then next thing you know, start screaming up, getting them. You know, it'd be different Decepticons grabbing them and shooting them. I'm like, man, what type of junk is that? But yeah,
Exactly. And I have to give them credit. The very first Transformers movie I enjoyed. After that, not so much. When compared to the old school cartoons, there's nothing like them. Nothing like them,
right, right.
right?
I can't wait. I can't wait till this new one come out.
Okay, I'm
I
hoping.
can't.
I'm hopeful that they step up their game a little bit. The first Transformers was fantastic, I thought. So,
Yeah,
but after that, got a little all over the place. You know.
yeah. I mean, they come like when they did the Constructobots and I want to say the one before last, and then they doing the Beast Bots and this one coming up. Yeah, I'm a big Marvel fan. Yeah, I'm there.
Mr. Freeman, we're going to do just fine together. You and I. So my last thing though is obviously just get in touch with Miss Clark so we can get everything. I feel like we're just a few steps away from getting everything that we need, and so I'm excited about how close we are. And in fact, when he knew the Thundercats, I knew this guy's gonna. Well, so I can pretty much guarantee he's going to graduate. If you know, do you remember Voltron?
Oh, come on now. That's who the Power Rangers get theirs from. That's who the
Okay.
Power
All
Rangers
right.
get theirs from.
All right. Okay. All right. Well, it's good to see you, Mr. Freeman, and stay in touch with Ms. Clark. We'll see you soon. All right.
Okay, will do. Thank you.
All right. Take care.
All right.
We're gonna be just fine. Mr. Freeman and I are gonna be just fine.
Mr. Raleigh, if you'd like to return with Mr. Martin Duncan. Back on the record with Eddie Martin Duncan 2201698 FM. We need Mr. Raleigh. Mr. Martin Duncan before the court. Mr. Raleigh, you had a chance to talk this over with your client. Have you decided what you would like to do today?
Yes, Your Honor, my client will accept the jail sentence.
All right. Okay, so as I said, pardon?
My vehicle, I work hard for my vehicle. And I mean, I feel like I put in a lot of work and energy as a human being just to get the vehicle. So that's about to be taken. I can't just get
Your Honor,
jail
he's concerned
time,
about his car that's
jail
parked
time,
outside, Judge.
but I can't get that back. So
Okay.
I'm wondering if I can at least save my vehicle to help me survive. Honest from heart. Just that. Jail time, nothing. Vehicle, everything.
I don't know what you're asking, sir.
He's asking if there, what can be done with this vehicle that's parked outside. He's afraid it's going to be towed if he's not able to move it.
It's really interesting, Mr. Martin Duncan, that you asked me that question because you have no problem taking from other people, which is why we're having this conversation.
No,
And now you
people-
want someone to
people-
help
people-
you
people-
retain
people
your property.
always look for people who gave to me, people that, integrity and stuff like that. So I always look for that. That.
Mr.
But I
Martin
work
Duncan.
hard for this. And I work hard for that.
Yeah, well, people work hard for the things you've been taken from them. Maybe you should consider that. If you thought about how your actions were affecting others when you take from
I
them.
ain't took from nobody. Nobody.
No,
They
sir,
took from
Mr.
me.
Martin Duncan, I have your
They took
criminal
from me.
record right here. You take from people.
They took from me.
You take from people.
Everything I love gone. They took from me. Period. So I ain't taking nothing.
Year 2000, we have a larceny less than 200. 2009, failure to return rental property.
Okay.
2010,
Well,
drug crime.
But you
2015,
gotta
ag
understand,
assault.
ma'am. No
2018,
assaults.
burglar tools. 2018, that was dismissed. And then 2018, ag assault again. And now you would like me to somehow let you, do you have someone you can call to come move your car?
Yeah.
Okay, so how about,
Phone.
okay, so why don't you make a phone call, have that person come move your car since we already know what's about to happen?
Well, I gotta do that.
Okay.
Might take a couple phone calls, but yeah, I'm definitely got something like that. So that's cool.
What up, though?
So, bro, listen. So I'm about to go do 2 weeks real quick at court. You hear me?
You said what?
Yeah, man, I just need you to move my vehicle, man, to somewhere where it's gonna be safe. Cause I can't lose my vehicle.
Why would I move your vehicle?
I got the keys right now. I'm talking to you on the phone in the courtroom, man. Shit. Just move my vehicle to where it's gonna be safe, bro. Please.
I'm saying though, what's going on? Where you at? Why? What's wrong with
Shit, I'm
you?
about to go do 2 weeks, man. So I'm gonna do 2 weeks. Then when I do the 2 weeks, when I get out, I'm gonna be back somewhat of a happy man. But my vehicle, I need this shit. I need that shit. She dead. So I'm gonna need that
When you going to jail?
right now. Going to jail in the
Are
courtroom.
you serious?
I'm dead serious in the courtroom right now. So I need you to move my vehicle.
Where your keys at, man?
I'm leaving for the court. Good. No worries. Just move it to where somewhere I can get told.
I understand that, but you got to get a key to somebody I know who you're giving them to.
Shit, the court.
Mr. Riley, will you retain the keys?
You can give it to me and I can give them to
All right. What's your name?
Jacob.
Public
Jacob.
defender.
I'm giving them to Jacob. He'll be my lawyer, right?
Yes.
My lawyer.
I'll be in the sixth
All right,
floor.
so say less, man. I'm on my way up there right now.
Got you.
Tell them sixth floor. Judge.
Hey, hold on. How long is it gonna take for it to get?
What's his last name?
Wow.
Jacob Rollins.
Okay. Give me about 20 minutes.
Yeah, okay, cool. So I'm good on that. Let me do these 2 weeks. I'm gonna go on
Hey, that
here.
ain't nothing, man. You'll be free in 2 weeks. That ain't nothing, bro.
You already know it. Thank you one time.
You already know.
One
I'm
love.
on my
I
way
love
down
you.
there.
All right, one.
I love you too, bro.
All right.
You know where he's going.
Might have to help me to my phone.
Do you have a phone number so I can call him? I'll try calling him. Wait.
Got you.
He thinks he knows where he's going because he said he'd be here in 20
Oh,
minutes.
54A District Court.
Right, that's where we are, but
Right, does your buddy know that though? You told him you're in court. You didn't tell him what court.
I'm gonna give him, I mean,
is he gonna know where to find me? That's what I'm asking.
so we're gonna work that out. I don't know how we.
If you
So
get
he
his
just needs to
number-
know what court to come to. You said you're
I
in
got his number
court.
right
He
here.
didn't say what court.
That number right here. First number right here.
626.
That's the number. His name Monte Duncan. It may somewhere A. Duncan. That's my little brother. Famous. They already gonna know.
Okay. I'll call him as soon as we're done. Okay.
All right.
Yes.
You got the number right.
Yeah, 516. I got it. Yeah, I say it's fine.
All right. We'll continue with the sentencing now that you've made arrangements for your car. Okay?
That's all.
Okay. So we've already talked about the Killebrew and I've already told you what sentence I intend to give. Anything else
Nope,
that you would like to tell me today?
I just wanna go. So I'm gonna read a
Mr.
book.
Rowley, anything else from you?
Just to note that Mr. Martin Duncan is seeking employment. I think he has something arranged to start doing DoorDash, but he has not started that yet. But it's something he's working on.
All right. Mr.
My
Martin.
dream, tell them my dream like children. Well,
Mr. Martin Duncan, based on a review of your history, the offense, and the fact that you don't think you're in a position to do probation right now, as I told you, I decided that 2 weeks in jail is an appropriate consequence and hopefully deterrence, because you're in a spot now. If you
it's
keep,
appropriate. Why would I get 2 weeks?
I said it's an appropriate consequence. That's why you're getting 2 weeks, because I've decided it's appropriate. Appropriate. The important part is you should think about this. Every time you get caught doing this now, if I see you, I'm probably gonna send you to jail because I don't think you can keep doing the same crime over and over again and not receive a consequence. So
Why do
you
do
have
that?
to.
You got it.
So I don't want to see you anymore. 16 days jail with credit for 2 you previously served. You'd like to appeal my
16.
sentence?
What?
Well, 16 minus 2 is 14 left. Minus good time, you'll actually be out quicker than that. If you'd like to appeal my sentence and you need a public defender to assist you, you need to make your application within 14 days.
Yeah. Okay. That's all
16
right.
credit for 2 days.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
I'm not assessing, collecting fines and costs from you today. There's like a $75 crime victim rights fee that I cannot waive.
All
So
right,
there'll be a
we go to
70,
jail. So that's it.
yeah, stop interrupting. $75 crime victim rights fee I cannot waive, but I will not try to collect it from you. I will close the file. Good luck to you.
And the price tag, thumbs up.
Where's your car park?
Right down the front.
Okay.
Right. Right hand center, solid street. You know what I'm saying? Great vehicle. HHR 2007 Hummer. Something like that.
Great.
Right. Okay. Tile in it. That. Yeah, I'm good. 2 weeks in jail. Thank you. Be generous.
Like, don't come back.
Pray for me if I'm dead.